Yeah, we have several customers, for example, some in America, where we have helped them digitalize their tooling management processes, and we've brought great value to them. They've been able to kind of move away from manual processes to digitalized tool control. It has helped the operations on the floor in the hangars as well, but also the IT, and it was quite a surprise to the IT department to find out that this is actually a software as a service implementation, because it means that they don't need to install anything into their IT infrastructure. You also avoid big upgrade projects, which can take from a couple of months to half a year and so on, which are quite heavy, laborsome and also costly. So as a SaaS provider, so software as a service, it means that we are hosting the system and we are taking care of that you have the latest version of the software always. So that has been a surprise to them as well, that this is kind of quite easy and straightforward to implement. And like you said, we do the heavy lifting, so we are in charge of the actual implementation and we do most of the testing. Of course, the customer will do some of the testing as well to make sure that the data is intact and it kind of fits their processes. But what is key from a customer's perspective is to acknowledge that there's sufficient management support, that they understand what they want from this project, and also that they nominate the key resources. Usually what we need is key stakeholders from the operations, so people who understand the subject matter and the data, but also from IT, so that they can be happy with the solution and that we are compliant with the security policies and integration policies, so that we follow the guidelines of the customer as well. You need to also remember to take into account certain level of change resistance. It's only human, it's natural. We all kind of think like, okay, this is something new, it's something big, it's going to change our world, it's going to digitalize the processes that we are already happy with. But then you have to be able to communicate why you are doing this, what are the benefits you're going to gain. Is it that the processes will become faster, work is going to be easier, the people can concentrate on more on the tasks that require more expertise, and so forth. So, or is it cost savings? Is it a combination of these? And usually it is a combination. You gain several different types of benefits that you don't necessarily always think about in advance. But we are there to help you express these and also increase the understanding what it means to go on this digitalization journey.